If you want to call and set up a voicemail on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can open the phone app. Now over here we can switch to the keypad, and you should be able to press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. By doing so, once you reach the voicemail, you can of course set it up by following the instructions that you will hear during the call. Now in case you try to call the voicemail but it doesn't work, and this might be due to the incorrect voicemail number or an empty voicemail number. So in order to fix that, you can tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner, and then we can go to settings, then go to voicemail. Over here you should be able to select your SIM if needed, and we have advanced settings, and then go to setup in order to find the voicemail number which you can edit. And if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to simply Google that information by providing the name of the carrier or a service provider and the voicemail number, or you can try to contact them. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.